Hello traders, in today's live trading session video, we're going to be looking at why are we looking into this GBPUSD daily time frame trade. There's already a resting order based on the 50% open equity strategy. What is that all about? This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets Illiteracy Conference and the Traders Open Day. So traders, here we are looking at this trade on GBPUSD based on the 50% open equity strategy. What do we mean by that? The 50% open equity, basically every time, as you can see, we are seeing the dots over here, right? So that's the confirmation bars, which confirms either a top or a bottom. In this case, this is confirming this bottom here. From there, the starting point begins. If you can consider this as a race, each dot as a runner, you can see that from this dot, what is the distance that 50% of runners get to? That's what we mean by 50% open equity. Now, how do we derive those stats? You can see it over here in my trading view platform over here, where we have migrated the SMI2 as well. And you can look at the stats table over here. It tells me that the 50% open equity distance is actually 125 pips. We usually go for 100 over here. On the open equity, when we looked at it in different currencies and instruments, including Brent oil, silver, commodities, and all of that, we found that it was about 100 pips, especially for currencies. Now, if you want to change this to ATR as well, you can do that. You can just simply change this to ATR, change the column section over here as well, okay? Then the stats table will change. So coming back to here, what we are really looking at here, traders, is I'm looking to enter here at the blue line here, which is 12217, which is what I have marked out over here. And then 12087 being my stop loss for the low of the bar. That is based on another stats, which I'll go through in another video. And also then finally my target based on the open equity stats, which I just showed you on TradingView, which can be applied to any instrument all over the 60,000 instruments available on TradingView. So that's 123.47, our 50% open equity mark. And then I'll show you in the upcoming live trading session videos how we are going to be trailing it and moving it towards our target. Okay.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So that's on GBPUSD, the 50% open equity point. On the next videos, I'll also talk about how we are choosing the other two instruments there as well. One quick thing I do want to leave you guys with also, what makes us select this particular dot? Now, how you improve the net profit margin of this strategy is by not selecting every single dot. We do not select every single dot. We select them with some small filters, not with too many filters, but with just very small filters. One thing you can definitely look at is time frame correlation. Now, the most important edge that we got over here is that in Master the Markets, we have quantified the tops and bottoms. That's where everything starts from. Your tops and bottoms quantified. We've talked about this in many seminars and conferences and session and live trading session videos. Tops and bottoms must be quantified. Only from after the tops and bottoms have been quantified, then traders, can you actually get all the stats table of open equity? If you do not have some kind of formulas to quantify tops and bottoms, you can't get this, and you can't trade with conviction. You can't do that. It's going to be very difficult and with confidence. Okay, so not only that, once you've quantified your tops and bottoms over here, let me just show you this as well. So once you've got that, you can look on other time frames, and it's all now consistent. I can also see it's an uptrend on the weekly time frame too. So if it's an uptrend and the direction is towards the up, and then what I then look for is on my daily time frame, then I look for basically trades which are signaling towards the long. So I select the dots which are signaling towards the long. So when a bottom is confirmed that's towards the long, then that's when I will select that dot to trade, because I believe that that runner in alignment with the higher time frame will have a longer distance to travel. It will highly get to the high probability of getting to the 50% open equity distance. Okay, so that's what there is. So I'll let you guys think on it. In the next few videos, we'll look at the other trade positions that we have, and we will see how they are progressing along as well. All right, traders, that's pretty much that from me. And of course, those of you who want to either know the concepts of how you're building all of this, please do watch Trader Starter Pack. And also some of you who are intermediate traders who want to get hold of this smart money indicator as well, you can just simply contact us at clientservice@masterthemarkets.net, and be happy to help you with this. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.